Have a good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Catherine Mijares Magallanes, 28 years old, single from Philippines. I have 5 siblings in our family, 4 brothers and 1 sister. My educational attainment is vocational, 2 years in information technology. I have work experience in Kuwait for 2 years as a domestic helper, year 2022 to 2024. There are 6 members in the family. After I came to Kuwait, there are 4 members in the family, but my madam is pregnant at that time, 7 months. And after a year, my madam got pregnant again and labored last March 2024. There is only one growing child who goes to school. I wake up early in the morning to prepare her school uniform, to help her to take a bath, and prepare the breakfast. And I am the one who also taking care of the newborn baby, to take a bath, washing the bottles, to make milk, washing, changing clothes, changing diapers, and carrying them to help them sleep. I can do also household chores like cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, washing the dishes, and ironing. I have good relationship with the growing child and the newborn baby and to my employer as well. At this time, I want to work in Hong Kong to save and earn more money to help my family needs and to support my brother and sister for their schooling tuition fees. I can assure you, Mom and Sir, that I am